got lime and coriander, aloe and rice. Which one would you like?
Lime and coriander.
Lime and coriander. Right. So we got 2 beans, refried pinto beans, black whole turkey beans.
Black whole.
Black whole turkey beans. Right. Good. And we got mixed vegetables, pepper, onion, mushroom. I assume you don't want it. And the 3 beef vegan chili.
Yeah, just
Got cheese in it?
very little.
Very good. That'll do. We got mild, medium, hot sauce. Which one would you like?
Medium.
Medium, yeah?
Just a dash of hot one.
Yeah.
Very little.
No problem.
Yeah, that's it.
With that, okay. So we got jalapenos and guacamole.
Guacamole.
Guacamole, yeah? Southwest chipotle.
Not a lot.
Not a lot. Just a little bit for the taste, yeah?
Yeah,
With
that's
that, perfect. Little bit of lettuce. No lettuce. Just this.
Can you cut it into 2?
Yeah, sure, I can do it. And that's perfect.